Okay, so everything you're watching right now, this whole animated story, the characters that actually stay the same the whole way through, the camera moving, the scenes flowing into each other. I made all of this myself. No studio, no team. I'm not an animator. I didn't go to school for this. I just used a handful of simple tools, most of them free, and a process that finally clicked after a lot of trial and error. And that's the thing nobody tells you. Making one cool AI clip is easy. Anybody can do that. Making a whole story where it all holds together, that's the part everyone gets stuck on. So that's what I'm going to show you today. The full thing, start to finish, exactly how I do it, nothing skipped. And there's one part in here that genuinely surprised me, a free tool you already use all the time that can do something most people have no idea about. I'll show you when we get to it. So let's start at the beginning, with the plan. Every good animation starts with a script, and that's where Claude comes in. Open Claude, paste in your master prompt, and hit enter. This one prompt does the heavy lifting for you. It writes out your locked character descriptions, a text-to-image prompt for every scene, and an image-to-video prompt for every scene with the camera moves already built in. A few seconds later, your whole animation is planned out on the page. Now, the images. For this, I'm using Gemini, the one people call Nano Banana, and it's honestly fantastic at this. First thing we do is build our characters, because locking them in is the most important step in the entire process. Get this right and everything after it just works. Go to Claude, grab both of your character prompts, the full detailed ones, and drop them into Gemini. Generate. And look at that, both characters, exactly as described. Clean and detailed. This is your reference. This is what keeps everyone looking the same from here on out. All right, now it's time to generate your scene images, and we'll go one at a time so you can see exactly how it works. Copy your scene 1 image prompt from Claude, paste it into Gemini, and hit enter. Scene 1 is your opening, so this is usually a wide shot that sets the whole world up, and there it is. Your characters dropped right into the story. This one's your foundation, so take a second with it, and if it's not quite right, just run it again. Now scene 2, copy the scene 2 prompt from Claude, paste it into Gemini, hit enter, and here's the moment to pay attention. Look at that, the characters are identical to scene 1. Same faces, same colors, every detail holding. That's exactly what we want, and it's happening because we locked those characters in at the start. Scene 3, copy the prompt, paste it into Gemini, generate. This is usually where the story shifts a little, some emotion, a discovery, and you can see the lighting and the framing move to match it, but your characters don't budge. Same as scene 1, same as scene 2, rock solid. And that's the whole rhythm. Copy the prompt, paste into Gemini, generate. So now just do this for every scene image you've got left, one after another, all the way through. Once they're all done, lay them out side by side and really look them over. Anything that feels off, fix it now, because trust me, it's way easier to catch it here than after you've animated everything. All right, now the part I promised you, the part that genuinely surprised me. To bring these images to life, we're using Canva. Yeah, Canva, the same app you make your thumbnails and posters in. Most people have